Hi everyone, I am Nikita Goel, final year medical student at Maulana Azad Medical College. I secured All India rank 8 and rank 1 among girls in NEET 2017. I took my biology classes from Junaid sir. It was through his guidance that I was able to get into my dream college. The way he solves doubts is just perfect, and his teaching methodology is also best. If you are looking for online classes during this pandemic time, go check out his channel under the name Junaid Alam.
Hi everyone, this is Kritika Garg, final year MBBS student from GMC Patiala, batch 2017. I took my biology classes from Junaid Alam sir during my NEET UG preparations. With proper planning and guidance from him, I could make it to GMC Patiala. All my doubts were clear on regular basis with proper logic by him. His teaching methodology is very unique. Not only this, he inspired me to do hard work daily, which helped me to pursue my dreams. In the times of pandemic, when the online classes are off, you can visit Sir's YouTube channel for NEET UG preparations. Stay healthy, stay safe, get vaccinated.
Hello everyone, myself Jasmine Sidhu, a third year medical student at Government Medical College, Amritsar. We all know that biology accounts for 50% of the NEET exam. So it's really important to make biology a cakewalk for ourselves. And Junaid Alam sir is the best teacher out there. His ways, the teaching methodology, everything makes biology really very interesting. And all my doubts were cleared with good logics and reasoning, always. In this COVID pandemic situation, when we have to stay at home, you all can easily access to his YouTube channel for easy and effective biology learning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Goel, final year MBBS student at GMC Patiala. I scored 340 out of 360 in biology in NEET 2017, and I would like to thank Junaid Alam sir for his participation in my result. Constant motivating nature of the sir and regular doubt clearance helped me to gain confidence in subject and crack NEET in first attempt. So I would like to suggest you all to join biology classes by Junaid Alam sir undoubtedly.
Hello everyone, my name is Ocean Garg and I'm currently pursuing MBBS in Government Medical College, Patiala. I gave my NEET UG exam back in 2017 where I scored a total score of 601 out of 720 and my score in biology was 342 out of 360. So I'm here to share my part of journey with you. Back in 2015, I decided to join Akash Institute Bathinda where I met Junaid Alam sir. He was the zoology faculty over there. Over the period of 2 years, he continuously kept motivating me and supporting me in my journey. He taught the subject so well that it's helping. The concepts are helping me till now in my MBBS curriculum. He used to provide these wonderful illustrations while ever explaining us the concept, which always gathered our interest. The way of his teaching was very unique. He was always there to motivate me and support me whenever I needed and always encouraged me to move ahead. He not only taught me zoology but also helped me with other subjects. Major chunk of my success is dedicated to him. Sir was like a second parent to me. Believe me guys, if he's one of your teachers, your journey towards your goal is just a cakewalk. All you need is to put your best and follow his instructions and guidelines. So whoever and whenever gets an opportunity to study from him, kindly grab that opportunity and utilize the best you can, because we rarely meet teachers with like him, and if you ever met, feel blessed.
Hey everyone, this is Mehak Rai and I'm currently pursuing my third year of MBBS at Institute of Medical Sciences, Varanasi. So I'm just here to make you people realize that how lucky you are that you're being tutored by Junaid sir. So I gave my NEET in back in 2018 and I secured a rank, all India rank of 286, and I secured 346 out of 360 marks in biology. So most of the credit of zoology basically goes to Junaid sir, because he used to draw diagrams and his way of communication is very sweet. So he'll make concepts clear, and he just focuses that the concepts you are being tutored are stuck into your mind. So just a little bit of difficulty, I would say, because NEET, the journey of NEET is not very easy. But if you are being tutored by someone like him, you should follow however he says. So just blindly follow him, and follow whatever he says and do whatever he says. So just study. Basically what I'm saying is just study, and please listen to him, and don't waste your online classes thinking that that you will be taught in offline classes, because considering the pandemic situation, we are not seeing it in near future. So just make your process very good, and just keep listening to him. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Shruti and I'm currently pursuing MBBS at GGS Medical College, Freeport. Back in the year 2018, I gave my NEET UG where I scored 300 out of 360 in biology. So my journey for my dream started in the year 2016. I opted for PCB and decided to join Akash Institute, Bathinda. Their zoology section was taken by Junaid Alam sir. Believe me guys, he made zoology on our fingertips. The way he taught us, cleared our concepts, doubts, and the way he made us write notes from different updated sources helped me crack the NEET examination. It was a tough time, but he got me through it, as he always kept encouraging and motivating me for the 2 years. I'll always remember attending his classes. He is the best teacher indeed. So what you have to do is just stay focused, listen to him, prepare notes and read them as many times as possible. Success will be on your doorsteps.
Hello everyone, I'm Pankaj Bishnoi, a third year MBBS student at Dr. BSA Medical College, Delhi. I cleared my NEET UG in 2018 with All India rank 467. My biology score was 332. All of you are aware that biology comprises 50% of the NEET exam, and Junaid sir is the one who can guide you the best in biology. Junaid sir teaches biology in an effective and interesting way. He develops a connection with the class when he teaches. Junaid sir conducts tests regularly, and the doubts are thoroughly discussed thereafter. I have a suggestion for you all. Revise the stuffs again and again. Revise both your notes as well as your NCERT. Revision is the key. Learn the NCERT diagrams and NCERT tables by heart. Keep up the hard work. All the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Kaushik, third year MBBS student at KS Hegde Medical Academy, Mangalore. So the first time I met Junaid sir was during my drop period in 2018. And honestly speaking, I never thought zoology will be so easy and interesting before my drop period. The way Junaid sir used to teach was really a very different way, where he used to make a subject very interesting, and he picks you up from the very basic of the topic till you understand each and everything about the topic. Junaid sir was more like a mentor or friend to me than a teacher, who always helped me, supported me and keeps me motivating during my whole drop period, and he still helps me, supports me, motivates me. And yeah, Junaid sir's notes still helped me during my first year MBBS period. If somewhere in physiology, biochemistry, it helped me a lot. And thank you Junaid sir for always supporting me, and I am very thankful to you where I am today. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Yadav, currently a second year MBBS student at Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi. I scored 662 marks in NEET 2019 and an All India rank of 445. Particularly in biology, my score was 345. And in respect of biology, I will like to give you advice that you should do smart work rather than hard work. Means you should not start doing random stuff and start cramming that, because at the end all will go in vain. These things will pile up and you will not be able to retain anything. So you have to find quality matter, that is exam oriented. And the second thing is that you have to understand the things. In my case, I was lucky that I found Junaid Alam sir as my teacher. He teaches in a very conceptual way that help us to understand the subject and not just mere cramming of the subject. and also his notes were exam oriented and they were sufficient for clearing my exam, so I only read those. And even the concept which he is helping you to build right now are not only just for cracking the exam, but also they will lay a strong foundation for your higher studies. In my first prof I was studying, then there came a topic related to RNA interference. I was not able to understand it, so I go back to Junaid sir videos and saw that, and I am really thankful to him for making these topics so easier for us to understand, that I will also recommend you all to see his videos, because it is really a hard time for all you guys during this pandemic, as you are not having your offline classes. So you can see his videos, make notes out of them, and I'm saying you that they will be more than sufficient for your exam. So you can rely completely on them. Thank you and all the best at the end.
Hello. So most likely if you're watching this video, you must be from your 11th, 12th or 10th standard, and that makes me your senior. So my name is Aparna. I'm a second year medical student from PG Hamas Rohtak from 2019 batch, and I'm here today to discuss my experience studying from Junaid sir. He taught me zoology in 12th standard. Now, Junaid sir is a very fun guy. He keeps cracking jokes in his lectures. They are very interactive and fun. Also, I felt that the content which was taught to us was sufficient enough to crack any entrance exam, let it be NEET, AIMS or JIPMA. Now, of course, the exams have been combined to a single exam, but the reason why I would recommend his lectures to you is a little different. You see, because I was never the kind of kid who could indulge herself into books and any subjects just for the sake of cracking an exam, right? I simply failed to understand why it was worth it. And so whenever I studied a subject, let it be any, physics, chemistry or biology, I studied it for the sake of understanding, for the sake of learning it. So for this very reason, I find Junaid sir's lectures very helpful, because what they gave me, and not just his lectures, Jindal sir's, SP sir's, Junaid sir's lectures, Lalit sir's lectures, what they really gave me was this very strong foundation of physics, chemistry and biology. And it is on this very foundation that I build up concepts of medicine in medical school. You need concepts of zoology to be able to understand how disease happens in your body and what all can go wrong in your body. You need zoology for it, right? So I cannot simply emphasize more the importance of basic sciences, because what medicine really is, it is just an extension of it. All applied sciences are just an extension of basic sciences. So for this very reason, I found his lectures very helpful, because what he does is that he takes this huge concept and he breaks it down into these bite-sized portions, which are easy to digest and understand and even retain for a longer time. He does not simply spoon feed you facts which you would never really need in your life. He teaches you concepts which stick with you. Like for instance, I can even still recall what I studied in 11th and 12th standard, and it is on those very concepts that I build my knowledge every single day. So for this very reason, I would recommend his lectures to you.
Hey guys, my name is Rohit Yadav and I'm an undergraduate medical student pursuing my MBBS from AIMS Rishikesh. I got 665 marks out of 720 in NEET 2020, and I got AIR 1788. My category rank was 546 and I got 330 out of 360 in biology. Talking about zoology, I was taught by Junaid Alam sir. Junaid sir is a very fantastic teacher. His way of teaching is very unique. In the lectures, asking questions to you in between keeps you motivated to just answer them all, because once you get involved in the topic, then it's quite easier for you to understand it. And lecture was taught, the whole topic was taught in bits and pieces with some interesting stories in between. So the way of teaching of Junaid sir is very, very nice, trust me. If you are enrolling with Junaid sir, the journey is gonna be fun. If you are you have a vision for clearing KVPY and Olympiads, then sir's notes will suffice every bit of them, because sir's notes are very vast and every question coming in Olympiad and KVPY will be covered. So no worries there, because sir's notes have every point, from be it any coaching module or every major point is covered in them. So trust me, there will be no question out of the text. Then sir also asked some questions, but that's the way of getting you a bit relaxed with the topic. We presume this topic is hard, or this is not our cup of tea, but sir's teaching methods make it real easier.
Good morning all of you. First of all, I thank my teacher Dr. Junaid Alam to give me an opportunity to introduce myself. Myself Rohit from Manesar Gurugram, and I have passed my 12th standard from RPS School Rewari, and currently I am a first year MBBS student of batch 2020 in the prestigious Medical College of Haryana, the PGIMS Rohtak. This college provides various medical courses such as PG, MBBS, veterinary, nursing, etc. As all know that every medical student has a dream to study in such a prestigious university, my teacher Dr. Junaid Alam helped me a lot to grab the MBBS seat in such a prestigious college, and I have a very great learning experience with him. He not only supported me but also helped me to solve my queries and understand the concepts of biology, and not only in the field of study, he also motivated me at every moment and helped me to achieve my goal. So to be a good medico, you have to make goals, try to achieve them and work hard. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, myself Jatin Verma. I am currently a first year professional MBBS student at SHKM Government Medical College, Nalhar. I cracked my NEET last year in 2020. So talking particularly for the biology section, I scored 345 marks out of 360. And to be more particular in zoology section, I just made one question wrong. And I studied my zoology from Mr. Junaid Alam sir. If you are enrolled with him, you're gonna rock this year for sure. He's the best teacher I could ever find. His way of simplifying the thing is very good. He presents the thing in a very simplified way, so each of us can grab it. And for the competitive view, NCERT of biology is just like a holy book. So he cover each and every line of NCERT. So you can just, if you are after studying from him, if you are gonna read the NCERT, every line is like you are done with it. And he do provides us motivation in between, and he do provides us mnemonic and tricks, so you can learn the concept for a longer time. And his way of teaching is that much easier and simplified. You are just enrolled with the topic to which he is teaching.
Hello everyone, I am Prachi Yadav. I am a first year medical student at R&D Medical College, Udaipur. In NEET 2020, I scored 342 marks out of 360 in biology. I got Junaid Alam sir as my zoology teacher in class 11 at RPS Rewari. At that time, I was not much confident of my true potential, but as I attended his lectures, a kind of confidence instilled in me just because I could grasp the topics very well. In the test, I used to do a lot of silly mistakes, so sir used to prompt me to alleviate them and to ameliorate the mistakes. He used to say in the class that make each day count. He is just like a friend with the students and is always open to our doubts. To all the NEET aspirants, I would like to suggest to practice as much as sample papers as you can along with the scheduled timings. Note down your mistakes, correct them, and try not to repeat them. Besides all this, try to involve yourself in outdoor games, maintain your diet, take care of your circadian cycle as well. In a nutshell, I would like to say that have faith in your potential. Try to utilize this lockdown period as efficiently as you can and make it happen. All the best for your journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shweta Yadav, a first year medico at SHKM GMC No. For me, those 2 years of learning experience which I had with Junaid sir were great. We had a great learning experience together as he is one of those teachers who will not only help you in learning those bookish things, but he will make them way more easier, way more effective for you. So focus during the lectures, don't miss them, and don't sleep during the online classes. And for me, he was one who not only taught me biology, but he also guided me towards the right path and helped me to stick to it. So at the end, I would like to say that as a teacher, they will guide you. They will make your learning easy. But as a student, you have to work harder and harder, harder and harder so that you can achieve whatever you want in your life and you can make him as well as your parents proud one day. So work hard, stay healthy, stay safe and be happy. Thank you.
Guys, I am Khushi, a first year medico at KCGMC Karnal. I am blessed to have a teacher and a mentor like Junaid sir. I had great experience of learning with him. He not only just teaches you, he also guides you to the right path. Last year was very tough for everyone, but sir supported me like a family member. What you have to do is just attend the lectures attentively and revise the notes regularly. No extra effort you have to do. And just enjoy with him. I had enjoyed a lot with him and you also do. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Hello everyone, myself Anjali Dwivedi and currently I'm a first year student at Government Medical College, Basti. I cleared my NEET exam last year and it was all because of the blessings of my parents and my teachers who guided and supported me all through my journey. Junaid Alam sir taught us zoology and he's a marvelous teacher for this. He cleared all my concepts in the class and lectures so well that I never felt the requirement to cram zoology. His class was full of fun and knowledge, and he even taught us the most difficult topics with so ease that we never felt hardship in learning and remembering them. His mnemonics are awesome and very helpful. He took all my doubts and welcomed them and cleared them. He always motivated, guided, supported me all through my journey. He was always there for me to listen me and my problems and clear them. He always taught us to push our limits and always work harder and harder. I feel myself very blessed to get an opportunity to learn something from him and be his student. So all his students will be feeling the same. I must say that he was one of the most important pillars who supported me and guided me all through my preparation. He never discouraged anyone and always taught to learn from the mistakes. I would definitely say that whosoever gets the golden opportunity to learn something from him, please go for it and do not miss it, as he could be the one who would take you closer towards your dream. And stay safe and healthy.
Hello friends, I am Shivraj, first year MBBS student at Dr. SN Medical College, Jodhpur. I meet Alam sir in 12th class at RPS Public School, Dharweda. He taught us zoology. The way he taught was so different that most of the things get learned during the class hours. He also cleared all our doubts and also provide in-between motivation. He was more a friend to me than a teacher. I am so thankful to God for making him my teacher. If you also get the opportunity to get taught by him, grab it. And I'm sure you will also be thankful to him. Thank you so much, sir, for always being there and be supportive to me.
Hey guys, myself Kanika Yadav, a first year MBBS student in RNT Medical College, Udaipur. I gave my NEET UG exam in 2020 and I have scored 643 out of 720. In biology subject, I have scored 346 out of 360. Firstly, I thanks to Junaid sir who helped me a lot for scoring this much and he cleared my all the doubts. Junaid sir cleared my all the doubts in biology so that I can be able to score this much. The question papers and the test papers that were provided by sir was very nice and helped me to practice more and more. The teaching way of sir is very nice and also the friendly nature of sir so that all the students can clear their doubts very easily with sir. You guys can also fulfill your dream to be a doctor by taking online classes from the YouTube channel of Junaid sir. All the best to all the future doctors. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you Junaid sir. Thank you so much once again.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all the medicos for such nice testimonials with sweet gesture. See, hard work is the key of success. And if you want to get a good rank in NEET, you really need to work hard for the rest of time. Either you are having 1 year, 2 years and so on. You have to follow your own schedule. You have to be consistent with your classes. Don't ever miss any class. If you are missing a class, you are going few hours back in the preparation. You have to make a proper revision schedule. You have to follow your revision schedule. You just see certain testimonials and you might be thinking that these students are so lucky that they got their dream medical college and sooner or later they are going to be doctors. Trust me on this, they really worked hard for 2 years. They also faces certain up and downs. There was times in their preparation when they were not very confident. They were also confused. When we are working hard for anything, we might be getting excuses. For instance, right now you might be getting excuses that this is lockdown period, we are not having physical classes, this is online class, there is no physical interaction with teacher, my network is down and so on. Your target should be very above all these excuses. We all, when we are working for something precious, we all face difficulties. And those who work hard in difficulties, who stay positive in difficult situations, they only get result. So my message to all of you is that work hard, stay consistent, revise your notes. Biology is something which makes the biggest difference. Biology covers the 50% of your syllabus and this is something which makes the biggest difference. So don't ever take biology for granted. In the initial phase of your preparation, biology looks very easy, we will cover it up. But trust me, like we have been working for the same thing from last 10 years, it is not like this. From the very first day, you need to be very consistent, very focused with your biology syllabus and don't ever keep your work in backlog. Don't please stop making preparations before your exam. It should be like if you are having exam on Sunday, your syllabus should be completed by your side on Friday so that you can relax on Saturday and then you can hit hard on Sunday. So I wish you a very good luck for your preparation. I am glad that I become the part of certain student journey and I will be serving other students as well.